Hello, I'm Sheila Davies, Director of the Dare County Department of Health and Human Services. I would like to provide you with updated information regarding COVID-19. In North Carolina, there are currently 6,951 cases of COVID-19 in 93 counties. There have been 213 fatalities in North Carolina associated with COVID-19. Currently, the state is reporting 427 hospitalizations across the state from COVID-19 illness. Dare County's reported case count has remained stable over the past 10 days. Dare County's reported 15 positive test results for COVID-19. Of the 15 individuals who have tested positive, 14 have recovered or asymptomatically cleared, meaning they are 7 days post-testing with no symptoms, and 1 died. While the test results we have been receiving over the past 10 days have all been negative, this does not mean that the COVID-19 virus is not in our community. The mitigation measures of maintaining social distancing, limiting direct contact other than your family members, and practicing good hygiene are helping us reduce the spread of COVID-19. Please continue to do your part to keep our community healthy. Today, Dare County updated the state of emergency declaration and released the plan for gradual lifting of restrictions on entry to Dare County. This plan was made with careful consideration of the science, trends, epidemiology, and data regarding COVID-19 and resource availability in Dare County. The first phase will allow entry of non-resident property owners. It is critical for everyone to adhere to the safety measures and regulations specified in this plan. Over the past few weeks, there have been a number of changes that have improved the county's position regarding COVID-19, including the number of positive COVID-19 cases in Dare County has been stable for over a week. There have been no new cases in that time. Syndromic surveillance indicates no immediate increase in respiratory illness or COVID-19 related symptoms. Testing is now readily available in Dare County in accordance with current NCDHHS guidelines. Testing turnaround, the time between specimen collection and test results, has dramatically decreased over the past few weeks. Results are now received within 24 to 72 hours. The Dare County Department of Public Health has increased capacity for contact tracing. Dare County Emergency Management has confirmed with essential business operators, primarily grocery retailers, that with advance notice they have the ability to increase delivery of essential goods. As the number of shoppers increases, people may experience a greater wait time to enter a store due to restrictions on the number of customers allowed entry, which is based on square footage of the store. Shoppers should also expect to see changes in product availability as supply chain demand fluctuates across the nation. Medical surge capacity has gone from planning to implementation locally, regionally, and across the state of North Carolina. Based on the current COVID-19 case numbers and future projections, patients can be transported to a healthcare facility that can provide the higher level of care as needed. According to the gradual lifting of restrictions on entry plan, Dare County will open to non-resident property owners who have a valid entry permit with matching government ID, according to the following schedule. Beginning Monday, May 4th at 6 a.m., entry begins and is ongoing for non-resident property owners whose last name begins with A through I. Beginning Wednesday, May 6th at 6 a.m., entry begins and is ongoing for non-resident property owners whose last name begins with J through R. And beginning Friday, May 8th at 6 a.m., entry begins for non-resident property owners whose last name begins with S through Z. The following restrictions will remain in place and must be followed. Dare County's Stay Home, Stay Healthy order has been extended to May 22nd, 2020. North Carolina's stay-at-home order is in place until at least April 29th, 2020. If you are sick, stay home. Mass gatherings are limited to 10 or fewer individuals. Travel only for essential needs. Only have direct contact with members of your immediate household. All essential retailers must adhere to the Governor's Executive Order number 131 and comply with restrictions on the number of individuals allowed entry based on square footage of space. In addition to the previously mentioned restrictions, Individuals are now required to wear a mask or cloth face covering in public settings where other social distancing measures are difficult to maintain, for example, grocery stores and pharmacies. All non-resident property owners should bring their own supplies to sustain themselves in their homes as much as possible, including groceries, prescriptions, paper products, and other essentials. Decisions regarding access to Dare County for visitors will be addressed at a future date to allow for necessary syndromic surveillance and monitoring of resource availability. Full details on the plan, including information on how to obtain the required permit and a list of frequently asked questions, is available at www.darenc.com/COVID-19. As we move forward through this pandemic together, facts over fear is the best way we can all find comfort. We will continue to provide updates with factual information as we receive it, and we encourage you to stay informed by visiting www.darenc.com/COVID-19 or by visiting the CDC or NCDHHS websites. If you have specific needs or questions, you may also call the Dare County COVID-19 call center at 252-475-5008. Thank you.